Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fold Audi A5 side mirrors. Start by parking on level ground, turning the ignition to accessory, and confirming mirror glass is clean. Use the interior mirror switch to position each mirror straight before folding. For models with power fold, press and hold the fold button until the mirror seats. Fold manually only if the power function is unavailable, and always stop if you feel resistance. If your Audi A5 has power folding, use the switch on the door panel or key fob to fold mirrors quickly and evenly. For manual fold models, cup the mirror housing and push inward with steady, even pressure at the base to avoid breaking the motor coupling. Never pull on the mirror glass directly. If the mirror feels stiff, stop and inspect for ice, debris, or damage before trying again to prevent costly repairs. When a mirror won't fold, first check for obvious obstructions like ice, mud, or parking debris that can jam the mechanism. If power fold fails, inspect the fuse box and listen for motor hum to narrow the issue. Avoid forcing a stuck mirror, as that can shear gears or damage the housing. If troubleshooting doesn't work, schedule a professional inspection so you don't risk larger repair costs or unsafe mirror alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.